Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the talk show of the Mashal schools with students. As the Mashal school has the honor to give free education to orphans, I'm meeting one of them to talk to her. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you, sir, for inviting me.
Thank you very much. Okay, can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Azra. My father's name is Bahraman Khan. I belong to Tarnab Charsadda. I live in class 6th of the Mashal schools.
Excellent. As you said, you read in the Mashal schools, class 6th. Can you tell me, do you like your school?
Yes, of course. I love my school because of quality education.
That's excellent. Azra, what's your vision? What do you want to be in your future?
I want to become a psychologist to work on mental health.
Excellent. A psychologist mostly work on mental health. That is one of the rising issue of the world. Like every country has bulk of issues with mental health, and that Azra can help us in that point of view. Very good, excellent. Thank you, Azra, for coming and joining me.
You are most welcome, dear sir.
Thank you very much.